What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from the world's tallest Starflyer, the Orlando Starflyer, and things are wrapping up here at the construction site. There's a lot going on, so let's go check it out. Check this out. Looks like we have a few more segments of the pad that have arrived, and they have different colors. Looks pretty nice in my opinion. Hopefully we'll see some actually out on the site. Since our last update, some signage has gone up on the outside of the buildings here, and we can now see StarBar. Another look at the buildings with the new signage, and we can also see off to the right a new one for the Orlando Starflyer. We can see crews busy at work here on the queue and covering. Looks like they're installing some of the electrical for lighting and, of course, for the mag locks. Here's a better look at the gate with the mag lock on there now. In other news here at the pad, we can see the fence line surrounding the attraction is fully in place. Some areas over here around the trees have received a little bit of artificial grass. Here we can see some of that new pad work, and if you notice, it gives. It's a little bit squishy. Palm trees have been added around the area, and it gives it that Florida charm. It makes everything just a little bit more relaxed over here. We can see a couple more coverings here, and I'm thinking it might be for electrical or for possibly a planter, but they do form around the entire circle. More decorative lighting has been installed around the area. Man, oh man, the StarBar is really coming along nicely. We can see some new TVs in here, and a lot of the utensils for the bar itself are starting to arrive. We can see some of the lighting here and those TVs on. Very soon, those shelves are going to be stocked with alcohol. Eventually there's going to be all sorts of neat lighting in here, and we can see this fixture right above us. And very soon there's going to be some color changing LEDs. One of the neater additions to the StarBar is this mirror, which gives the appearance this thing is absolutely enormous in here. If you like beer, they're going to have plenty of it, and we can see one of the fridge storage for the kegs with the dispensers. The Starflyer office is looking very nice. We can see some of the paneling here for the walls and counter. And very soon we're going to have the register and some very nice decorative photos up on the wall. And you've seen it before, but here's another look at the panel. Everything is turned off and the ride is not going to be running today. Just too stormy. Whenever a new ride is built, they often get a little plaque like this one. And it says Orlando Starflyer, has the opening date, location, height, capacity, and some other information. Much of the sidewalk over here next to the road is complete. We can see trees and planters now in place.
Now it's pulling. Now it's slowing down. Slowing down. You can find somebody. I don't want to be involved with that. I don't want to hear that.
Well guys, that is going to do it for another update here from the world's tallest Starflyer, the Orlando Starflyer. And I'm very pleased to say that we are so close to being done with everything here. All the buildings are coming together, the electrical is wrapping up, the ride is running, So yeah, there's not much more to do except for open it, and that is going to be on June 1st. They do have a contest going on right now, so if you go to the link below, you can actually enter that and be one of the very first riders on the Orlando Starflyer. We're going to have a couple more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.